Grand evening, grand evening. Happy Sunday afternoon. What are we looking at? We're looking at the malfunction. This is the old one that malfunctioned, that broke, burned out. It lasted for some years. This one lasted for about, I'm thinking, when I bought this house, it was already in the furnace. And I've owned this house for about 10 years. I've owned this house. So this was older. And it burned out. And when did it burn out? It burned out when it got real hot down here in southern Texas. It burned out. So what is that? Again, I'm going to say it is a direct drive furnace blower. That's in my HVAC system. My house is all electric. So this is in my HVAC system that runs, that powers the air conditioner compressor outside. And this also powers the heat. This direct drive furnace blower blows the cool air into the house from the air conditioning compressor outside, and it also blows nice warm heat into the house in the wintertime. So that's what this does. And what happened was this burnt out. And we are in a very, very, very hot weather here in southern Texas and in the rest of the country too. The whole country is experiencing very, very record hot weather. People are actually not living through this hot weather, people. People who don't have their air conditioners, and this drastic hot heat can take you out. It can kill you. So this went out, and luckily for me, you have to stay on top of your game when you own a home. You have to stay on your game. You have to, if your warranty runs out, you have to buy a new extended warranty. You have to buy a new extended warranty for your cooling system and for your heating system and your plumbing system and your electrical system. I have all four of those. I bought warranties again because this house is a very older house. So I had to buy warranties for it. And I bought warranties through my Reliant on-grid energy company. They offer warrants, and you pay your warranty bill every month. So if your air conditioner goes out, your furnace goes out, your electrical goes out, you pay a very small deductible, and they will repair it. Now, I got this repaired. I got this repaired on Friday, July the 3rd. I got it repaired. Now, why did I wait till July the 3rd before the 4th of July? Because you got to realize the air conditioner companies were very, very busy here in southern Texas. I called them 2 weeks ago. It took them that long to get in here on Friday, July the 3rd, to fix this. It took that long. So you have to be prepared. So how did I stay cool? I have stand up portable air conditioner units. I have 3 of them. So I put one in my room. I put one of those in my room. It kept my room nice and cool. until I got this one, the home central air fix. So I'm gonna say this again. I've already purchased a few years ago new stand-up portable air conditioner units in case my main unit goes out. If something happens, I don't have to leave my house. Gets too hot, I can stay at my house. I can just plug up a stand-up portable unit in my bedroom, my master bedroom. It keeps the whole bedroom nice and cold and cool. So you have to have backup plans. So as we go into this very, very hot summer, it might be one of the hottest summers on a record, they're saying. So always take care and have backup plans ready if your equipment goes out. So I got it fixed on Friday. My central air in my home is running good again. And I survived the breakdown because I had a backup plan already in place. So if you realize when you own a home, you're responsible for your home. You're responsible for your home. It's not like you're renting a home where the landlord will come and just replace your air conditioning unit, fix it, or replace your heating unit. You don't have to pay anything because you're renting. When you own a home, it's your home. You're responsible for taking care of your home. You're responsible for all the repairs out of your own pocket if you don't have a warranty. So make sure you have a warranty. Make sure you have backup equipment like stand-up portable air conditioners like I do. I have three of those in my garage that I can use if my central air goes out. Again, hopefully it won't. But always be prepared. This is Regenerative Life Wayne coming to y'all and telling you what can happen in this hot heat. Because you have to realize our air conditioning systems are working 24/7 because it's very hot down here in southern Texas. It's hot 24/7. So old equipment like this one, old equipment breaks down. And remember, ain't nobody come to save us. We got to save ourselves.